Tarmaster is Thompson's latest product for the road maintenance sector, made to deliver ready-to-lay asphalt and tarmac. The exceptional design and build quality one can expect from Thompson's make the Tarmaster a great addition to any fleet. To operate the tipper, have the engine running and activate the PTO using the clip switch located inside the cab on the dash. Then, use the tipping control lever to raise and lower the body, allowing for controlled delivery of materials. The opening and closing of the roof lids can be controlled from within the cab using the dash-mounted switch or on the near side ground controls mounted next to the gantry. The ground control buttons. These enable easy operation to open and close the lids from the side of the Tarmaster. A warning buzzer will sound to indicate lids are in operation. To gain access to the gantry where the gas storage, control box and crane are located, unlock the slide-out ladders. The gas bottle storage cabinet houses two 23-kilogram bottles of LPG gas. The bottles are connected by two tailpipes. The gas is controlled by an automatic changeover regulator. Start the flow of gas by turning the yellow switch to the on position. The headboard-mounted bottle housing and burner configuration allows for minimal required gas piping. To power up the control box, turn the isolator switch to the on position. You will notice the white burner power light illuminates. You can now turn the burner power dial to the on position. The green burner on light illuminates. You have now initiated the burner's startup procedure. The temperature control panel is now illuminated, allowing you to set the correct temperature. To do this, press the Set button and use the directional arrows to find the desired temperature. Confirm this by pressing the tick. Your temperature is now stored. The burner will start to heat the hotbox to the set temperature, and once reached will maintain this temperature until switched off. The Tarmaster gantry has a penny swing lift crane with handheld control unit to enable easy lifting of the gas bottles to the cabinet. All aspects of the new Tarmaster design have been created with functionality and user experience in mind. The lid's unique pivot design allows for full access to the internal body cavity, allowing for easy loading. The body is split into two separately sealed compartments, 60% on the right and 40% on the left, giving you the option to store two different materials. The easy flow floor allows for material to easily move toward the rear of the body. There are three large chutes. The smaller compartment on the left has one chute, and the larger compartment on the right has two. This enables controlled delivery of product. If you would like more information about the Thompson's Tarmaster, please contact our sales team at thompsonsuk.com and follow the contact tab highlighted blue in the top right corner. Tarmaster, designed and manufactured by Thompson's. Thompson's, more than just tippers.